Okay, so here we go, episode 10, and this one's gonna be a big one because we've got decals, custom, we've got wheel painting, custom, and hopefully if we can squeeze it in, we've got a performance engine tune at Motor Garage. So stay tuned, it's gonna be epic. So once again, the guys at Advanced Motorcycle Spray Painting came through big time. They even taught me how to hold the swatch cards under certain light and a certain shape to actually get a feel for what the real colour is going to be. So after a bit of to and fro, putting it up against various parts of the bike, we came up with a couple of winners.
It's almost this one's your first one pick. I think it looks different. It doesn't look as like that. Just looks like a set of basic silver rims, whereas this looks a bit more dollary. Let's go with that one. Awesome, thanks Dan.
That's turned out nice. Hey, they are nice, aren't they?
Good colour choice, ties in with the tank.
It really ties in quite well, doesn't it? Oh, that's insane. Mate, they look great. They look really good. Super happy with them. They're gonna look awesome in the sunlight as well. Man, they just look sick. They look amazing. Oh, man, I'm so happy, so pleased I went with that colour. It's not silver. It doesn't have any tints of gold through it. It perfectly matches the calipers. So look at that, see how it perfectly matches the calipers, or very close to it. Like calipers almost look like they've got a green tint through them now compared to the wheel. Matches the tank pretty well. That's cool. That is awesome. And it's unique too. How many V2 Panigales are you gonna see with this color combo? Not many. Okay, so we're back at Two Wheel Decals, the home of awesome race decals in Brisbane, or my area anyway. Bike is ready to come off, and another happy customer over there loading his R6, pretty wicked bike. And we've got some awesome custom stuff for this. I'll just put a quick image up on screen here as to what it's gonna look like. Obviously it's gonna look an absolute boatload better than that because that's just a design. But just, man, back to these wheels. How freaking good do they look? They look insane. Okay, so we've got the tank grips to go on the side here, and then we've got two different colors of decals. These are the Ducati genuine stickers. So I'm thinking, since my paint job over this side is so bad, we do like a sticker from even this side of the center. You let me know what you think. This side of the center, the whole way across in a triangle to that edge, with Ducati logo here, my logo, and then your logo there in that same dark grey colour. Okay, small segue. So we've made our way to QR Racetrack today, and we're helping out a mate who's got his 959 track bike, getting it on track today for the first time and running some hot laps, playing with the settings a little bit, and let's show you some action real quick. Okay, so it's been 3 days, I've been waiting, I've got something insane to show you. Come over here.
Okay, so the decals are done, the wheels are done, the bike looks insane. Now we're at Motor Garage in North Brisbane. The bike is all ready to go on the dyno. And this outfit is huge. These guys build quite a lot of bikes. They've got a decent following in the track arena as well. And we're about to put some performance into this puppy. So it's gonna go into this dyno machine here, the Dyno Jet. And we're gonna tune the pants off this thing. So that's about it for today's episode. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, you know the drill.